So Bumble is one of the most popular dating apps in the world. It's similar to the likes of Tinder in that you swipe right on profiles you like and left on the ones you don't. Like many dating apps, Bumble is also location-based. And one reason you might want to use a VPN for Bumble is if you're on vacation, but you still want to use Bumble as if you're in your hometown. Alternatively, you might want to use a VPN if you're using Bumble on public Wi-Fi, as this provides more security. Whatever the reason, our top recommended VPN to use for Bumble is going to be NordVPN. So NordVPN is awesome for a few different reasons. The first being that the server selection is huge. You've got over 5,000 servers across 60 plus different countries. So wherever you're trying to connect to, your location will most likely be available on Nord. Then you've got some awesome built-in features like military-grade encryption, a strict no-logs policy, split tunneling, multi-factor authentication, and you can use one account across multiple devices simultaneously, which is actually pretty useful because I've used Nord on 2 devices at once, so it comes pretty handy. Now, while I'm just touching the surface on Nord, I'm going to show you how it actually works in a second, but I do need to point out that this is a paid VPN service. Now, it does cost around $11 a month, but in my opinion, the cost for using a service like this should be overlooked because it's impossible to put a price on having more privacy and security for yourself on whatever you're trying to do. Now, using a VPN in today's world is just becoming a must, and that's the bottom line. Of course, if you guys wanted to get started here and learn more about Nord, I will have some bonus and resource links in the description. Next, let's go over how to connect. Now, one of the best things about Nord is the built-in map feature. The layout also looks the same whether you're on your PC, iOS, or Android. Now, you can connect simply by tapping on the blue dots in different regions or countries. I'm using Canada as an example. Now, you can also browse for different locations in the top left-hand corner. You could do cities within different countries. Just be aware that when you connect to a country, it's going to pull up the fastest server available. But if you wanted to browse by different cities, you could also do that. Now, I'm also going to connect to one more area. We'll go with Europe here, and we'll click on, I don't know, let's go with Hungary if I can find it. The other thing you're going to notice is that these connection speeds are extremely fast. And when you connect, it stays connected. And that's one of the biggest benefits as well to using a paid VPN as opposed to a free VPN. It actually works. So you don't have to worry about it disconnecting at any given time. It will just stay connected for you. Okay, let's browse over here. I'm going to look for Hungary. All right, yeah, you can see it connected literally within, probably less than a second. Okay, so bottom line, if you're looking for the best VPN used with Bumble, NordVPN is our top recommendation. They're super user-friendly to use. They've got over 5,000 servers across 60 plus different countries, so a ton of locations, military-grade encryption, and a whole bunch of other cool features. Of course, if you guys wanted to get started on Nord, we'll have some bonus and resource links in the description. Thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see you in the next VPN video.